Welcome to isvalid.email. In this video we'll walk you through how to create a verification batch, track its progress, and download your results. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating a verification batch. First, log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the verification batches page. You can either upload a text file with a list of emails using the first button, or you can just paste them by using the second button. The verification will cost 1 credit for each email in the batch, so keep an eye on that. If you don't have enough credits to process the batch, an error will appear. Otherwise, the batch will be created and added to your verification batches list. Step 2. Monitoring progress. In the recent verification batches section, you can monitor the progress of your job. You can see the status of each batch here, along with the number of valid and invalid emails. As your batch is being processed, you'll see the progress indicated by a percentage with a real-time display of the results as the emails are validated. Depending on the size of your list, this may take some time. Step 3. Downloading results. Once the verification process is complete, the status will update to completed. You'll have 2 download options: a text file containing all valid emails, and a CSV file with invalid emails and failure reasons. Click on the download button next to the number and it will download to your device. And that's it. You've successfully created a verification batch, waited for it to complete, and downloaded your results. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out to us using the contact form on our website. Thanks for using isvalid.email.